See who came to visit? She's always here with me. This is Luna. Meu Deus. That was my cat. She just dropped my ring light. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am a part-time reseller. I buy things at thrift stores, Nordstrom Rack, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls, and I flip them for a profit on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. Today I have a collab video with two very dear resellers. We have done a collab before and we decided to do a bins reseller swap. We just wanted to see what each one of us is able to find in our bins in our area. Kami lives in Oklahoma, Veronika lives in Virginia, and I live in Massachusetts. I do not have bins near me. I go to the one in New Hampshire. There is a Goodwill outlet in Boston, but it's been closed since COVID started. So I drive over an hour to go to the bins in New Hampshire, and I'm very excited to see what Kami sent me. We decided to send each other 5 pounds worth of clothes that we found at the bins just to make it fair and for it to be almost the same amount that we spent on these items. My bins cost $1.49 per pound. I'm not sure how much Kami and Veronika pay per pound at their bins, but you can head to their channel and see how much they're going to give you all of this information. And if you're coming from their channel, thank you so much for coming and watching my video. Please consider subscribing if you like reseller content, and let's see what Kami sent me. I haven't opened the box yet, so everything's going to be a surprise. So here is my box. Oh, she included a card. I did not. Sorry, Veronika. I thought about including the card, but then I had already taped the box shut and I was pressed for time. Let me see what Kami sent. Thank you. Thanks so much for collabing with me. My bins was so slow this day, but I think I found some goodies for you and I hope you make lots of money. Thank you so much, Kami. My bins the day I sourced for Veronika was very shoe happy. So I found lots and lots and lots of good shoes. But, you know, we decided to send only 5 pounds of worth of things. And if I put a pair of shoes, it would take up much of the weight. So I decided not to send any pairs of shoes. But I hope that Veronika is able to make some money with the things that I sent her. So the first thing is this polka dot Zara top. I love polka dots and I like picking up Zara. It's a size medium. Next thing is this. Oh, that's cute. Very cute. It's I think it's, is it a top or a nightgown? I think it's a nightgown. Look how pretty this is. Very pretty. Oh, it's Victoria's Secret. Size medium. I have been having a lot of luck with Victoria's Secret's sleepwear. So thank you so much, Kami. I like that. Next thing is this, oh, Lululemon tank top. Is that the Power Y top? I'm not sure. Just need to depil a little bit. And let me see if I can see the size 4. And it's kind of a neon pink. Very nice. I love selling a Lululemon. Oh, another Victoria's Secret's piece. Size large. This is so pretty. I love, love, love selling Victoria's Secret's sleepwear, nightgowns, pajamas, robes. They do very well for me. I don't think it's silk. Let me see if it's silk. No, it's polyester. It's very pretty. It's open here at the front and my cat is here trying to help me. And this looks like a dress. Yes, it's a dress. It's a Ralph Lauren size 12 maxi dress. I feel like maxi dresses always do very well for me. I like the color. It's a very neutral color. I'm enjoying the box very much. Thank you, Kami. And Adriano Goldschmied. This one is the Stevie. I really like selling Adriano Goldschmied pants. Where's the size? The size is 30, regular, really good size. Kami, you find very nice things at your bins. And the last thing is this Guess. I believe this is a man's pants. I believe that's a man's jeans. Let me see the pocket. If the pocket is deep, it's because it's a men's. It is regular, straight, crescent fit. I really enjoy selling men's pants as well. They sell very fast for me. They are size 34, 30, and they are gray wash. Very nice, and it's in excellent condition. I don't think anybody has ever worn it. So Kami sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. She was able to fit a lot of things here in the box. Hopefully when I'm editing, I'm going to be able to give you some comps, how much I think I can get for each one of them, just to add some value to the video. So thank you so much, Kami and Veronika, for collabing with me. It was a lot of fun. If you haven't subscribed to Kami and Veronika yet, please go and check their channel out. They're a lot of fun to watch, and they have very valuable information in their videos. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye. A bins sweat, and so I drive so please consider subscribing if content see